YouTube.
It's your boy Amino.
And you already know who it is.
It's Kabaka.
Alright, today we're gonna be doing pillow fights. We've been promoting this and I honestly think it's gonna be one of the best videos that we have. I love this idea. The pillows are a little bit tough, so we might get smacked in the head a few times. It's really hard. I mean, like, just look at this. It's really hard. So hopefully this video goes good. Stop it. It's coming now. Yo, you forward.
Kill him! Kill him! Ita natin! Yo, naway!
Ay, no. Find our next one. Bye. Hello. Bye.
Good cameraman in the star. Alright, come.
Successful.
One more.
Last one.
No! Yo! Okay, kids. Chevy Full Stop underscore Dynasty. I'm doing a giveaway. Chevy Full Stop underscore Dynasty. I'm doing a giveaway when I reach 5K followers. Okay, you can go follow Chevy Full Stop underscore Dynasty. SAEVY Full Stop underscore BYANSPY. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
You can go follow.
He's ready to go, bro. Fight!
You can go follow Chevy Dynasty. Chevy Dynasty, y'all.
And Rennie listen losing.
At this point, bro, this kid did not want it to stop. This kid was just going on and on like, I don't know, bro.
Checkpoint. Oh my god.
Show me up a little bit. Niggas don't want me first place. Niggas broke, ain't get no bread. That boy a bird brain. Niggas dissing me, might catch him in the worst way. I'ma sure they gon' blow his candles out like birthday. And my shooters gon'